Now, yesterday what we discussed? So yesterday we discussed, right, what is top level blocks. So interview also they are asking what are the main blocks. Main means these are the blocks. Terraform block. This is the one block. So what we are going to configure here? Versioning. Terraform version and provider version. That and all we are configuring under the block. Next, provider block. So here mostly which we are going to configure, which provider you want to connect. So whether you want to connect AWS or GCP or any other cloud, that and all we are going to configure provider block. Next, resource block. This is the main block in Terraform. If you want to add any resource, if you want to add any resource, so mostly we are going to add under the resource block. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? These are the three blocks. So Terraform block, provider block, resource block. Yesterday we discussed these three only, right? Anyone any doubt here? Any challenges, any issues?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, so let me open. Yesterday we created, right? What you created? This one we created. Okay. So this is the Terraform block. So this is the optional, but real time this is the mandatory. Without this Terraform block also it will work. So provider is mandatory. Which provider? I want to connect my account, right? AWS account. We need access key and secret key. Right now I hard coded. Going forward, I am removing hard coding and I am going to configure profiles and all. And this is the resource block. This is the main block. So this is the resource and the provider and resource name, and this is your reference name. We can give any name. So here we can give any name. This is my AMI ID and this is my instance type. And this and all yesterday we didn't configure it. That's it. And this is the tags. Under the tag, this is the tag name. So which tag you want, we added this is the tag name and all. So now my instance is created. Now what we are going to do today, I want to connect this instance. So once instance is created, if you want to connect any AWS instance, how we are connecting? Anyone? I want to connect my instance. How we are connecting? Usually ఎలా connect ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ SSH
SSH.
hyphen I and PM file, right? Correct? That PM file. Next, username. What is the default username? Linux
EC2.
EC2 hyphen user at IP, or we can use hostname. We can use anyone. Clear, right? Anyone any doubt here? So already I hope everyone know how to connect this instance. Now in this script, my instance is creating. So after creating my instance, I want to connect this instance. I want to install some software. So that is my target. So once instance is created, I want to connect the instance. Connect instance. Then I want to install packages. Install the packages. So you know how to install nginx, how to install HTTPD. I hope everyone know, right? Manual process. Many times also use, right? Even uh, even AWS and Kubernetes. Anywhere, most of the cases you use it. Now target is so now if I want to connect first what you need my here. I want to connect instance. What are the mandatory fields? This way, this is right.
E.
SSH hyphen I. We are using PM file, right? For example, test.pm file. Next, username we need, correct? Next, what we need? IP address or host name, correct? Clear? Subho, clear here? Hemant, how we are connecting?
Okay.
This is a command. So we need PM file and I need IP address and also we need to give username and these all are same. Now same thing I'm going to do in the script, how I are connecting my instance. So if you go to here, Just type everything they will provide. You don't worry. What is this connection block in Terraform? Just I want to use there is a how to connect. So if you want to connect any instance, see these are the fields. Connection. We need type. How we are connecting here via SSH. Correct. Now next, what is this username? What is the username here in this block? I am going to use same thing only. I am going to use same thing only. Here, what I am going to do, type equal to SSH. And what is the user? Default user, EC2 hyphen user. And private key. What is the private key? I am using a PM file, right? So where is that path? We need to give it. If you have any separate path, for example, my keys I am going to use are okay, class keys. This is the folder name. Under folder name, I am going to keep this file name, mykey.pm file. And host name. Host name means how to get IP address, self.public IP. If I use self.public IP, we will get instance ID, instance IP. Here, anyone, any doubt? These arguments.
No.
Type how I am connecting SSH and user and private key. Here I am going to use this is the syntax file and we need to give your file path. Where is your file is available and host. I need IP address, right? So how to get a dynamic IP address? This is the self.public IP. After creating my AWS instance, so if you use EC2, right? Instance S3 EC2. Same thing I am going to connect. But in script level, so directly we are not going to use a connection. And so mostly connection should be used. See here. So everything they given type, how we are connecting. SSH. What is the username? And what is the private key? Path of the your private key or your PM file. And password right now I am not going to give anything. And host name. How we are getting host name? Self.public IP. I am getting my IP address and port number. These all are optional. Which port number you are connecting and timeout and agent and all. These are the arguments. So now same thing I am going to add. Same thing I am now see here Terraform block used conjunction provisioners like remote exec. But right now I am connecting. If I am connecting, okay. So is there any usage here? Just I am connecting. So after connecting, I want to do something. I want to do something. So that is also they given here. After connecting my instance, I want to install some packages. What is the user? Just I'm connected. After connecting, what we need to do? These are the provisioners. This is also very, very important. Coming classes, I will explain. For the time being, remember provisioner, remote exec. There is three types of provisioners. File provisioner, local exec, remote exec. Okay, there is three types of provisioners. So this is very, very important interview question also. So file provisioner, local exec and remote exec. We'll discuss later for the time being exec. So now I am using a provisioner remote exec. Here it is creating AWS instance, right? This is the remote or this is my local?
Remote.
Remote only. This is not running my local machine. Correct? So same thing they are using here, see, remote exec. See here, remote exec. This is the syntax inline. If you want to install any package, they are using apt update the packages and all. I think you familiar on these commands, right? So see here, apt install. Same thing. Just I'm copying same thing only. Just I'm updating based on our requirement. Okay. Copy this. Go to here, my script. Just add it. Okay. Now connection SSH and what is the username? EC2 hyphen user. And we need PM file. How to get PM file? How to get a PM file here? I need one key. I need one key. So there is a key page, right?
Yes,
Clear. So make sure that where I'm going to create, this is the North Virginia. Where is I'm running? North Virginia, correct only. Okay, same region we need to create the key, otherwise it won't work. So now here, go to key pair and create new key pair and give any name. Okay. So this is P class key. I'm giving a Terraform class key. Whatever name you can give it. I'm giving Terraform class key. Now private key. You want PPK or PM file, whatever. Mostly you know, right? PM file. Select this one. Just create it. That's it. Now automatically it is downloaded in a local. See here. Copy this file. Copy this file and go to where is my script? My local. Go to here. Create any folder if you want, or directly you can also paste it. That is your wish. Okay. My keys. Okay. I'm giving my key. Just paste it. That's it. Anyone any doubt here? So how to generate PM file? There is a one option, right? Network already sir explained many times, right? Go to key pairs and just create a new key pair. It is asking name, give one name and just select PM. Just create it. That's it. File is created. PM file is created and also automatically it is downloaded. This is my local machine. I copied and I pasted here. Now how to configure this one? Now go to your script, Terraform script, and here, what is this? Here, right? What is the path? Where is my path? My key slash T class key PM. File name correct? Or else copy it. This is my path. This is my path. Terraform my key. My key. Right click. Rename. Copy this one. Go to your script. Just paste it. .pm file. And folder name correct? Correct, right? My key.
Yes.
Okay. My key. Okay, that's it. Class. Next host. I need IP address or DNS name. That is right. Self.public IP means after creating my instance, automatically it will get my IP. So now here what we need to do, I am going to install the HTTPM update -y. Next, how to install HTTPD server, m install HTTPD. Clear. Next, how to enable the service, sudo systemctl enable what HTTPD.
HTTP.
Clear. Next, whatever you want, remaining thing same only. Systemctl start HTTPD. Anyone any doubt? Clear. This
Yes.
script already you know many times you use it, right? So just I am updating the package. This is the syntax. Provisioner. There is three types of provisioners. File provisioner, local exec, remote exec. We'll discuss later. This is very, very important. So for the time being, after connect my instance, just I want to install the some of the packages. That's it. Clear? Let me run it. How it will work. Now anything missing? Just check it. And one more thing we missed. So here I am using AMI instance type and also we need to use key. So go to here. They are giving key also. How we are using? We didn't use remote key. Okay, first run it. If not, we'll add one more attribute also. So anyone any doubt in the script? Just a connection. type equal to SSH, user equal to EC2 hyphen user. Where is my private key? Here, and provisioner. That's it. First, I will try it. Okay. Now go to here. Where is your path? This is my path. CMD. And what is the first command, ma? Control plus B. If you want to first time Terraform init command, correct? Already it is installing. What is it showing? Expected comma to mark the beginning of the next line. Something we missed. What is missed? Line number 31, 32, 33, 34. Hmm.
We didn't give commas
Comma, you
after
missed
each
comma.
point.
Okay, comma, comma. That's it. Okay. This is one thing. Put this and all clear, right? Okay, started here. Where it is started here. Tag here. And remote also we need to close it. One more. And this is started here, close here. It is started here. It is enter here. Tag started here, close. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Remote after connection only we need to close it. So not here. Where is connection? We need to close here. Check it here. Syntax. Started. It is inline started. Closed here. Connection. The connection closed here. This is main closed. You got it right? That's it. Check it here. If you click on it's closed. If you start, close it here. Tag started here, close it. And this is the resource block started here. Resource block closed here. Now run it. Now clear. Terraform init. Now already this is done. Now what is the next command? Terraform
Validate.
validate. Okay, still it is validated. Okay. Now what is the next command? Terraform plan. Now see here what we are going to do. So everything it is visible. This is my plan. So plan means it is going to create an infrastructure.
No, sir.
No, just this is a plan only. What we are going to do, what resource we are going to create. So that and all we can see here. See, plan 1 to add 0 to. Now we can check it here. This is my AMI, and this is my instance type T2 micro, and remaining what I added. So whichever I added tag also, this is okay, and remaining thing that is connection and all automatically it will execute. Now final command Terraform apply, just give it. Now before that let me check it here. Do we have any instance here? No. So here I don't have any instances. See here, let me run it. Okay, give permission. Yes, either you want to accept or not. Whether you want to accept or not. Now here also we can see what are the steps it is going to do. First it will create the instance. Without creating instance, can I connect directly? without creating this
Not
instance. Can I connect directly?
no.
No, no. This is mandatory, right? Once instance is created, then only I am going to connect. Then only I can go to install the package. See, first installing. See, resource added. Now go to here, just refresh it. Now see here, my instance is created. And what is my tag? Yesterday it is not created, right? There is some issue yesterday. It is added. Tag name, my web server. And this is my ID. It is running. Once this is done, now check it whether that HTTPD is installed or not. Suppose if you want to connect manually, first we'll check. So here whether it is installed or not, or else if it is not working, then we can go and check manually. How to check my HTTPD installed or running or not? How can I check it? You know, right? Many times used. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎలా చెక్ చేయాలి సర్వర్ని?
Public IP.
Go to copy public IP, go to browser, just paste it. I hope everyone know. What is the default port number?
80.
800. This is the one issue. See here, the site cannot be reached. As of now, I didn't attach any security group. I don't know which security group it is added. I don't know whether they allowed 80 port number or not. So this is the real-time issue. How interview also they are asking. For example, I am unable to access my server. How we can trace it? First to make sure that whether that port number is allowed or not. So how to check whether this port number is allowed or not? Go to here. Where I need to go? ఇప్పుడు నేను పోర్ట్ నెంబర్ చెక్ చేయాలి.
Security.
Go to security tab, click on security group
Inbound rules.
and check it here. Click on inbound rule, correct? Edit inbound rule. Already, so it is available. HTTPD available, HTTP 8080 and so on available. Now go to here, just refresh it. Still not available. Why it is not still not? I am getting home page. First we'll check this is already it is available. Now first let me check manually also. How to connect manually? First we'll check whether really it is installed or not. Or also you can here also we can see it. So what it done? It is installed, right? Where is it? It is only created instance. It is not connected. Terraform, it is created instance only. Here also we can see. I think it is here also it will show description. I want to perform this action. Yes. Anything missing here? No, right? AMI, it is installed. It is not. First, I am going to destroy it. I will add key also. Destroy. Destroy means you know, right? What it will do? It is going to destroy the infrastructure. So now I think it is not connected to my instance. I need to add key also. So key equal to how to add key underscore name. Go to here. How to add key. So I need to add my key also. We need to add one key underscore name. I need to add. So here we added, right? Here we added. So I missed it here also. So copy this one. Go to my script. Now where is your here? Paste it. What is the key name? T key class. T class key. Copy this one and paste it. That's it. Here no need to give a .pm. Already we mentioned here. This is the key name only. What is my key name? T class. That's it. Now first check it here. I'm deleting. So here also we can check it whether really it is connected or not. But here I am not seeing any connection and all. That is the reason I am describe my previous infrastructure. I will see this time how it will work. It is going to destroy. Still destroying. Wait. So these are the mantra. See, AMI instant type and key name. Key underscore name equal to what is your key name? This is my key name. Whatever you given, same just pass it here. That's it. So wantedly I didn't add here. So that is the reason it is unable to connect. It is unable to connect. Here also we can see after using apply command. Here also we can see entire it is connected. Installing the HTTPD, everything we can see it. Okay, destroy is done. Yes, done. Now go to here. Just refresh it. You see to it is destroying. Click on here. It is terminated. Now let me run again. What I did here. So, Subbu, what I did extra added which one? Key only added. Correct? Now try it.
Yes, sir.
Terraform plan. Just I'm using plan first. Now we'll see entire information. Key also now we can see right now. I don't know. My system is running slow. Okay. Now check it here. This is AMI. Okay, correct. And this is my key. Correct. And this is my key underscore name. See here. This is my key name. And this is the tag name. That's it. Now check it. Terraform apply. Now this time I think it will install the HTTP server also. Previous I missed. So this is very simple only. But one or two times if we see, this is nothing. Same repeated only. Only we are going to update only few things. Yesterday, these things and all. Today I added only these things. Connection and provisioner. I will discuss later this and all, how it will work. And this is the tag name. That's it, nothing. Okay. Do you want to create? Yes. Now check it here whether really this time it will go into install or not. Now see here, first creating the instance. This is the provider. This is the resource and this is the reference name and still it is creating. Once this is done, what next step? Connect the EC2 instance. What is the next step? Install the HTTPD package. Here also we can see. Showing or let me check it. Actually here also it will show. Refresh. Click on here. Click on connect. Copy this. I connecting directly. Already HTTPD allowed. HTSSH allowed. Now connect. Now how to check what is the path, whether really it is installed or not. What is the path? CD space. What is the HTTPD default installation path? var variable slash www slash html. I think it is not available. Lib or variable. What is the default path అమ్మా? మర్చిపోయినారా? What is the default? Default httpd server installation path in Linux. I think variable user bin httpd variable httpd. This is correct only. This is the HCL. Copy cd space, paste it. Sorry, not here. Where is that? Here. Here. cd space. Sorry. cd space. This is the path. I think it is why it is not installed. Go to here. Check it here. Anything missing? Directly inside resource block connection. File anything. And anything we missed? Slash regular.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ కనెక్షన్ బ్లాక్ ప్రొవిజనర్ బ్లాక్‌లో ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్. మనం ముందు ఇచ్చాము.
ఇది
సో,
ఎట్లా
అది
నేర్చుకోవచ్చు
వర్క్
మరి?
అవుతదా? ఓకే.
మనం ముందు ఇచ్చామంటారా? ఇది ఇలా రాంగ్ చేసామంటారా? Let me check it.
యెస్ సార్.
Right. Syntax provisioner. Where is this connection? Okay. We'll give. So you mean to say add this one first, correct? Hmm?
యెస్ సార్.
First add this provisioner. Now closing, correct? Started here, closed here, started here, closed here. Okay. అదే సమస్య కదా అట్లనే ఇవ్వచ్చు. We can add before also, no problem. Anyway, added so tilde. I'm giving full path, but anyway it will work. Why it is not tilde they given? At least same path. Let me try. Let's try. Just I'm using this try. This is simple only. By why first they given provisioner. We can add connection also. After connection we can update also. Both are same only. What it is missing? Invalid function argument tilde. There is no path while creating path. Okay. Now check it. Any errors automatically destroying. This function works only with files. So if this will create a resource, must instead obtain the result from an instance attribute. We'll use another. What is remote hyphen exec? They will give one more example. So remote exec instance connection public IP. Same example they are providing. Remote exec connection. We can directly call a file also. We can use multiple way. First we'll try it. Anyone tried parallelly? Try in your machine also. Monica. Subbu, you connected laptop? If anyone connected laptop,
Yes, yes.
just try parallelly. Just download one PM file. Just keep it in our folder. Just give that path. That's it. Very simple only. We'll see this time whether really it will pick or not. Instance is creating, but it is not connected to instance. We'll see. But script is same only. First, they are giving provisional connection. The packer about is filter of more resource tainted. Hmm. So what they are telling, see here. So if you are using connection, we need to use a invalid usage directly inside the resource block. There is no usage. If you use only connection, along with connection, we need to add provisioner. We need to add provisioner. That's it. Now done, right? Now check it. Terraform init. Terraform plan. Okay. Now it is showing key also, right? There is key, instance type, and the key also. Okay. Terraform like auto hyphen auto hyphen approve. Every time it is asking yes or no, right? If you don't want directly, we can use auto approve. Instead of giving yes or no, I don't want every time that prompt, I am giving auto approve. So directly it is going to create the infrastructure. It won't ask anything. Anyone tried? Subbu, Monica, what Hemant? You connected laptop or not?
Yes, connected, but
నువ్వు 2 డేస్ మిస్ అయిపోయినావు గదా!
అవును. ట్రై చేస్తాను తర్వాత.
హ్మ్. Just I'm checking. Credential okay, export remote key also incorrect, missing private key. Are giving full path. This is okay. This under nothing. Terraform, AC Corporation, yes, East. Is what happened? Now see here. Now it is working. Connecting to first see here. One to add. One to add. So after creating, still creating, once installation is done, that instance is ready. Now provisioner with remote exec. Connect to remote host via SSH. So now this is my host IP. Which IP? This is a public or private IP? And what is the username? And so private key true. And also it is connected. After connected, see here, we see one message also connected. After connected, now it is installing the HTTPD where it is executing HTTPD. That command also it is running. Somewhere it is executing. See here, installing HTTPD. See here, this is also running. Once that is running, now downloading the packages, that is also done. Next running transaction check succeeded. Now see here, installed. After installed, now it is checking everything completed, one resource added. Now check it here, whether really it is installed or not. Go to here, click on here, click on EC2, timeout, device, instance. Now running instances, control plus plus. Okay, click on dashboard, running instances. Now instance is running. Now click on instance ID, copy public IP, go to here, just paste it. Now check it. Anyone try to log in? Why it is coming? Dashboard, instance, check I security group. Go to here, default security group, and already it is allowed. Inbound rules. Already SSS allowed, TCP also, HTTP, delete. Just again I am adding custom TCP, HTTPS, HTTP 80. Allow, but no need already available. Just I am checking. Refresh. Go to here, new tab. Okay, first we'll check manually whether really it is installed or not. Go to here, go to dashboard, instance, and connect instance. Now already it is installed. We will see the status.
Sir, I check your IP.
IP run. What's up? So ls cd slash variable ww tab http ls. I think here there is no file. That is the reason here we are not getting anything. Just create one file. How to create Monica file here? Here is this. How to create file? Sudo vi index.html. Okay.
Sir, it is working, sir.
For you working?
Yes, sir.
Why it is here? I don't have any file.
You also telling that it is working.
For me, I don't have any file. Just I'm adding manually. H1
No, sir. We are checked in your IP only.
my API. H1 correct all right. This is all right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Copy. But I am not getting home page. Here I don't have any file, right? Just I am creating manually. We'll see. Welcome to welcome to you copy and paste the script, provisioner. Welcome to dev class. DevOps class. Just I am giving. Just check it. Slash h1. Escape colon x. Now go to here. Now refresh it. Where is this? My sudo system ctl restart strt http sudo status str. It is running or not? Running, all right. Now it will come. Who are working? Subbu, for you
Yes,
also
sir.
working, Okay,
Yes, sir. It
good.
was.
What about Monica?
Yes, sir.
But why? For me, it is not running. It is running only, but I'm not getting output. We'll see what is the problem. Where is this? I'm wrong IP or correct IP only, right? Running only one IP. This is only my IP. Copy this IP, public IP. Just paste it. But automatically it will come. That's not. Now check it.
So try to remove one S once.
Here, by default it is taking yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by default it is going secure. Okay. By default it is moving secure. So now welcome to, but I added manually. Earlier I don't have any file. Okay. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is,
We got to like it works.
but this and all our wish. Whatever content you want, you can add it. This and all. Not only HTTPD, but everyone familiar HTTPD, right? That is reason I added. So this is the remote EXL. We'll discuss later. Now we know, right? This connection, correct? How it is working. Here, anyone, any doubt? Clear?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. Now I want to create VPC. How to create VPC? Or I need to create security group. So manually, how we are creating? We'll go for security group or VPC. Anyone, that is your wish. Now we got some idea, right? Now like this, we can add many resources. Now how we are going to create security group? Go to instance. Here there is, right? Security group. Clear? If we create security group, it is asking security group name and description and VPC. These all are. You know, right? How to create VPC, how to create subnet, this and all. For example, if I want to create a subnet, which is mandatory, I want to create subnet.
Security.
If you want to create subnet directly, I can create subnet. నిన్న క్లాస్ సార్ చెప్పినాడు కదా విపిసి కమ్ టు హియర్ విపిసి ఐ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్ సో సబ్నెట్ is running very slow. Subnet, right? If I create new subnet, I am giving subnet C, which is mandatory.
VPC.
VPC is mandatory, correct? Now I am creating create a subnet. Now see here it is asking you must select VPC. Which VPC you want to create? My VPC, whose is already SAR created, right? So this and all. Got it? Now simply I am going to create one VPC. You know, right, how to create VPC. Go to VPC, select a VPC, create VPC, and VPC only or more VPCs. One VPC enough. This is the tag name, and this is CIDR block. You know, right? What is the range we need to give and all. Now I am giving a VPC, and this is the CIDR. Just I am selecting same option. If you know manually, we can easily create with Terraform. Now I don't know anything Terraform, how to create VPC. Just directly go to here or go to Google. Here type AWS underscore VPC X Terraform. Just type Terraform. That's it. Everything they will provide. See here VPC resource. Click on that. Now see here resource. This is the provider. This is the resource name. This is whatever you want, you can give it. Now I'm copying same thing. Copy this one and go to here, my script, just adding one more resource. See here, this is done, right? Now I'm going to add VPC. Copy and paste it. So can I change this name or this is the default one?
Default.
Now I'm giving TVPC, Terraform VPC, T-VPC. This is the reference name, VPC. And CIDR block. You know, right? Already sir explained all these things. And I am giving 10.1.0.16. Okay. And instance tenancy default and tag name. I am also giving T-VPC. That's it. I am not going to do anything. Just I given only this one and instance tenancy default I selected. That's it. Now before running my script, first check it. Here VPC. Go to here. Where is this? Here connection. VPC. Click on VPC. And do you have any VPC here? That name. T-VPC. Any name here? Unda leda?
No,
No,
sir.
right? Now I'm going to run my script. So Terraform plan. Now observe here what is happening. Already instance available. Software also available. Tag also available. Extra added one more resource. I need to create VPC. Now again it will create a new instance. Again it will create everything or it will create only existing one all it won't touch or only it will create new changes. Anyone guess it at least? If నాకు ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఉంది. Now if you come to the script, ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్లో నాకు ఆల్రెడీ ఈ పార్ట్ అంతా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిపోయింది. కరెక్ట్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Now again running same script, but extra I added some more thing. Now again it will create everything or only it will create new changes.
It will add new
See
changes.
here, one to add. Here, if we observe here, plus 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 means these are the going to add it. But remaining things it didn't show anything. What is meaning? Previous. అవన్నీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుందా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కాదా ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్
No, sir.
నో ఓన్లీ విచ్ యూ మాడిఫైడ్ సి టెరాఫామ్ విల్ పెర్ఫామ్ ఓన్లీ దీస్ యాక్షన్స్ విచ్ యాక్షన్స్ ప్లస్ 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 వీ కెన్ సీ రైట్ ఓన్లీ విపిసి and I given some support enable and instance type default and that VPC tag name. That's it. I hope you got it right. Clear, Subbu? Hemant. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ని మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్
Yes, sir.
అగైన్ ఇట్ విల్ క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఆర్ ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తుందా క్రియేట్ చేయదా it will check if it is available same resource again why I need to create. Got it right?
Yes, sir.
అంటే ఈ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ నాకు ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది నా రియల్ వరల్డ్ రిసోర్సెస్. ఇఫ్ ఐ రన్ ది స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ అగైన్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద న్యూ చేంజెస్ యూ యాడెడ్ ఓన్లీ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు యాడ్ ఇట్. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ రైట్. అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను 10 టైమ్స్ రన్ చేశాను ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ని. ఫస్ట్ చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ దిస్ వన్ రైట్. నవ్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ టెరాఫామ్ ప్లాన్ టెరాఫామ్ అప్లై auto approve. What is this meaning? It is asking right confirmation. I don't want confirmation. So that is the greatness of Terraform. అంటే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ చేసినారు అనుకో ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ అగైన్. ఇట్ విల్ చెక్. ఏం చేస్తుంది? చెక్ చేస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ సేమ్ రిసోర్సెస్ అవైలబుల్ ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ ఎనీథింగ్. మళ్ళీ సేమ్ రిసోర్స్ ఏం చేయదు? క్రియేట్ చేయదు. క్లియరా?
Clear.
Okay, now see what is happening. Intro very very important. Nowadays everyone they are asking do you know Terraform? Cloud formation anyway sir will explain. Now see here only one resource added. Which resource added? Instance or VPC? ఇక్కడ కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు మనం ఓన్లీ VPC. Now go to here.
VPC.
Go to here. Just refresh it. Now we can see one VPC. See here T-VPC. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ రన్నింగ్ టెరాఫామ్ అప్లై ఆటో అప్రూవ్ అన్నాను. వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ డూ? ఇప్పుడు గెస్ చేయండి ఏం చేస్తుంది అది? ఇట్ విల్ క్రియేట్ అగైన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఆర్ ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ ఎనీథింగ్?
It won't create.
ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ ఎనీథింగ్. క్లియర్ సుబ్బు? హేమంత్ క్లియరా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఎందుకు? ఆల్రెడీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్.
Yes, sir.
It is idempotent, right? It is checking. If it is same resource available, it won't recreate it. If any changes happening, then only it will create. Now, if this time, right, we need to see 0, 0, 0 రావాలి నాకు. 0 added, 0 changed, 0 destroy అని రావాలి నాకు. Correct? See, refreshing state. See, no changes. Your infrastructure matches the configuration. What is the meaning? అంటే చెక్ చేసింది నీ స్క్రిప్ట్ని రియల్ వరల్డ్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కంపేర్ చేసింది. దెర్ ఈజ్ నో చేంజెస్. సీ హియర్ 0 యాడెడ్, 0 చేంజ్డ్, 0 డిస్ట్రాయ్. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏమి? ఆల్రెడీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్. వై ఐ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ అగైన్. కరెక్ట్? Clear?
Clear.
So this is very, very important. Interview also they are asking, hey, I have a script. I executed first time. So it is creating entire infrastructure. If I run same script, what is happening? It will create again one more resource or it won't create anything. What is the answer? It won't create anything. If it is already available, it won't create a new one. If it is not available, it will create the new resource. I hope you understand, right?
Yes,
వెరీ
sir.
వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ప్రతి ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఆడతాడు. నాకు స్క్రిప్ట్ ఉంది. సో yesterday I executed my script. Everything it is created. Again today I executed my script. It is creating so duplicate resources or it won't create anything. మళ్ళీ క్రియేట్ చేసిందా?
Create.
It won't
Yes.
create again. If any changes happening, then only it will create it. If there is no changes, it won't do anything. Zero added, zero changes. We can run many times. మీరు ఎన్నిసార్లు రన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. It won't create. Observe here. ఇక్కడ ఏం టచ్ చేయదు ఇది. See here. A1 సేమ్ ఓన్లీ ఒకటే ఉంటుంది మనకి. It won't create multiple VPCs. If I create every time it will create VPC means what is the use? Waste, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is a very well. What is the last command? Now this is my personal laptop, right? I don't want these resources. ఇప్పుడు మీరు నాకు ఇవన్నీ అవసరం లేదు. నా ప్రాక్టీస్ అయిపోయింది. మీరు మాన్యువల్లీ డిలీట్ చేయాలంటే హౌ వీఆర్ డిలీటింగ్? సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ వన్, గో టు యాక్షన్, డిలీట్ ఇట్. అగైన్ గో టు ఇన్స్టెన్స్, అగైన్ గో టు ఇన్స్టెన్స్ EC2, అగైన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్, select this instance. Where is this? Dashboard, instance. Again we are selecting. For example, నేను 50 రిసోర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాను. 50 రిసోర్స్ మీరు డిలీట్ చేయాలంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ టైమ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో మేబీ యూ ఫర్గెట్ 1 or 2 రిసోర్స్, కరెక్ట్? సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రిమూవ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్, ఐ వాంట్ టు దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫైనల్ కమాండ్, బట్ డోంట్ యూజ్ రియల్ టైం. ఇది నా మిషన్ కాబట్టి నేను వాడుతున్నాను. టెరాఫార్మ్ డిస్ట్రాయ్. మీ మిషన్ మీరు వాడుకోవచ్చు, బట్ డోంట్ యూజ్ ఇన్ టెరాఫార్మ్ రియల్ టైం. క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
I will share this script, just write. సో కాపీ చేసుకోండి, ఇన్కాల్ మెసేజ్లో పాస్ చేస్తున్నా. సార్ వాట్సాప్లో పెడతాను, ఓకే? సో మేబీ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ వన్ కనెక్టెడ్ మొబైల్ కాపీయింగ్ ఫేస్డ్ డిఫికల్టీ, రైట్?